Hello everyone, this is Ananto and today we will talk about OnePlus 7 Pro, the problem I had with OnePlus and the performance of this phone. So at the beginning of the story, I had Pixel 3 XL, and when the OnePlus 7 Pro came out, I immediately went to a store and traded in my Pixel 3 XL, bought OnePlus 7 Pro. I was so excited about the new phone. It was fine and smooth, but the happiness doesn't stay long. After using it for 2 months, I noticed something. The phone is not working or gets stuck when there is 2 or more apps in the background. So I thought it's a software issue, so I restarted and also restored the phone. But I faced the same problem. I don't know, other YouTubers says it's the best Android phone, but my experience was completely different. Even I restarted the phone, it took almost 5 minutes to turn on. Very disappointing. Now after 3 or 4 months later, I noticed there is a mark on the display and it can be visible on the white screen more. So now I had a display issue. Even though I didn't drop my phone or there is no water damage in the phone. Now let's talk about their service. So I reached out to OnePlus through emails. They didn't reply. After that I tweeted to them, they didn't care. And now I asked on their community apps, but nobody reached out to me. So I don't know about their service, but it seems very poor. That was my experience with OnePlus. Let me know if you faced anything like that with OnePlus. Thank you, and share this video to reach out to OnePlus and they will see this video and reach out to me. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day.